Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial on how to delete your Google Wallet account in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new payment app or just tidying up your digital life, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you're logged into your Google account on your mobile device. Open the Google Wallet app. It's the one with the colorful wallet icon. If you don't have it installed, grab it from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture or the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. This will take you to the Account Settings menu. Scroll down until you see the Account or Manage Account section. It's often towards the bottom. In that section, look for an option that says Delete Account or Remove Wallet. Tap on it and you'll be prompted to confirm your identity. This might involve entering your Google password or a verification code sent to your phone for security purposes. Before you proceed, double-check everything because deleting your account will permanently remove all associated data, like payment methods and transaction history. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. The app might take a moment to process this. After that's done, your Google Wallet account should be gone. You can verify by trying to log back in or checking on the Google website. If you encounter any issues, head over to Google's Help Center for support. And there you have it. That's how you delete your Google Wallet account in 2025. It was easier than you thought, right? If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.